Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add new passes to your Google account, like loyalty, gift card and payment card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and you can manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.